Flowers Medical, Facebook Live. Today's session is going to talk about regenerative health, and in particular sexual wellness and sexual health. This is involving something called PRP, platelet-rich plasma. So platelet-rich plasma has been around for a long time, and we use it in other areas such as facial and aesthetics and even scalp hair growth regeneration. The process actually takes your own blood out, and we use a specialized centrifuge and spin it down to concentrate the platelets, and they contain bioactive proteins that stimulate growth in the tissues and regeneration and repair. So the place we're talking about today in sexual wellness is for both men and women, and we can use this, your own body tissue, and with a special procedure we can actually inject that into the area to create growth and increase blood flow and collagen into the tissues for both men and women.
So talk a little bit about what men first would expect the day of the procedure.
So the procedure probably takes about an hour or so total for prep and completion of the procedure. It's a painless procedure. We use a topical numbing cream to make the procedure more comfortable. The area is clean, and then we prepare the blood sample and the tissue, and we do an injection there.
Great. And what should they expect afterwards? Are there side effects?
So no side effects. Of course, the area will be numb for some time, and then that will gradually wear off. Anytime we're doing an injection where there could be some mild bruising, but really there's no limitation, there's no downtime, and you can return to normal activities right after the procedure.
So what results should a patient expect for men?
So yeah, naturally we're going to help improve blood flow to the area, which is really one of the main issues for male function that is a problem. And this is effective in places particularly where medications have not been effective, or even in men that have either blood flow or nerve problems, either status post-surgery, after surgery, then this really helps to kind of regenerate that area to reduce, to improve blood flow, but also sensitivity, so it regenerates the nerve endings there as well.
Great. And how often would a male patient need to do this?
Typically, we would do one procedure. Perhaps at 90 days, we might repeat the procedure. About 90% at least of men get very significant results with this procedure. And then what we're finding is maybe around a year period of time, they may need a repeat procedure to keep the results that they gained.
Great. And what about women? What should they expect?
So similar sort of procedure for the women. It's going to be a painless procedure. We're going to numb the area, we clean the area. Some of the other benefits for women, in addition to increased blood flow and sensitivity, is that it's also improving the collagen and the elasticity in the area, and particularly for the issues of urinary incontinence for women, very common issue. It helps to improve that tone there, so that's one of the biggest things that people can expect from that. There's no downtime, same sort of recovery. You can return to regular activities right after the procedure.
And for a lot of our female patients, they really have lots of issues with dryness and pain after menopause.
Mm-hmm.
Are those things benefits as well?
Absolutely. And so even sort of the sensation of dryness, many times that has to do with the skin tissue. There's lost elasticity. And so, of course, we combine that with other things. If a female or and a male have other issues like hormonal issues or nutritional issues, or sometimes medications can interfere. Those are all the things that we take into consideration when we're looking at sexual health while we're considering this procedure.
Great. And the results as far as timing for females?
So females and males, it's about 90 days before we see sort of the maximum results that you're going to see for this. And then typically we're seeing about at least a year for that result to last.
Great. And the procedure lasts till about an hour for females?
Yeah, perhaps, getting started, getting set up, and the pre and post procedure time.
Great.
So we look forward to being able to assist you this and another service that we're adding to promote overall health and also sexual wellness and sexual health. If you'd like more information, you can call the office or go online to flowersmedical.com, and we're glad to do a consultation for you to talk about your specific needs and get you set up for a consultation. Thanks very much.